Alright, in this video, we're going to look at how to distress fabric. What does that mean? Well, you've seen those jeans that have been torn and ripped and bleached and all that. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, in the industry, there are professional machines that do that. But I'm going to show you how to do it using scissors and razor blades and sandpaper and bleach and all that. So, let's take a look. Okay, we'll start with a pair of pants, old or new, and some sandpaper. Coarse, rough, not fine. Start by rubbing the surface of your pant. This might take a while, so be patient. Keep rubbing it until you can see that the color begins to change. And you keep doing it until you get a color that you're happy with. You can also use a razor to remove the surface of the pant, of the fabric. You can fold the denim over slightly to create an even more interesting texture. And you'll do one leg and you'll do the other leg for where. Why stop here? Let's keep going. A whole new design that you have created, very unique. No one has that design except you. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.